Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'm going to just demonstrate the next step of our application. So on the left hand side of the screen I have the current application that we're currently working on, and then by the right hand side I have the finished version of the application. So this is how the finished version of the application looks like. This is the chat list. The chat list is different from the all users list. So yeah, I'm going to go to the top part and then I'll navigate to all users so you understand what I mean. So this is a section where you see the entire user, just like the one we have here. So here, if I select any users, I can chat with the user, and once I select the user, it will take me to the chat activity, and this is the last message I sent. And if I go back now, I can actually go back to the all users section and navigate back to the chat list activity. So the chat list activity shows us the current people we are chatting with. Currently, I am chatting with 2 people, and I am edit profile. Let me see the account that's currently logged in. Okay, I am Raven Reyes, and Raven Reyes is currently chatting with 2 people, which is Tom King and Marcus King. And as you can see, this is the last message that was sent to the person, or the last message that Tom King sent to, or the last message that Reverend Ray sent to Tom King, and also the last message for Marcus King. And this is how old the message is: 2 days old and 2 days old also, because it was sent the same day. Okay, so currently now if I click on any user here, it takes me to the chat activity, and that's the exact same thing you want to do for our application. Currently, if I click on any user here, it won't do anything, because in our main activity here we haven't set we didn't tell it to do anything here in the on user selected. Okay, so in this video, that's from this video onward, we are going to work with chat activity, and I have already created a chat activity here, and I have these layouts that I have already designed. So this layout is just exactly what we want. Let me zoom this in so you see better. So at the bottom part here we have the emoji selection, where you can toggle between the soft keyboard and emoji, and also the write message edit text, where user will compose the message and then send. Then this is for the camera, in case the user wants to send an image, and also this is for the recording button. But in the finish activity, oops, sorry, this one, in the finish part of the application, once I select the edit text, the soft keyboard pops up, and notice this button, the record button. Once I type anything here, the button changes to send. Once I delete it, the button changes to record. And also, just like I said, you can toggle between the soft keyboard and emoji. So if I click here, this should switch to my emoji, and I can select different emojis here to send to the user. I can select any emoji I want, and then click send. So as I click send, the emoji gets sent to the user. And also I can open up, I did this almost like WhatsApp. If I click on the attached media, this should show me the WhatsApp style gallery view. So if I click this, it just spread up, and then just almost like WhatsApp. And also if I click the camera button, this should open up my camera. But the camera thing is not really doesn't work well with emulators. It works perfectly with a real device. So this is what I mean now. As you can see, if I click on this, this is almost like the WhatsApp style camera 2 API, where you see the actual camera, and then once I click and hold the center button, it starts recording. And also I can switch between front and back camera. And if I should click on this arrow, it should swipe swipe up. It will take me straight to my gallery and then show me my recent images. But this worked well with my Android device, but doesn't really do well with an emulator. So I just want to demonstrate this to you guys so we'll know exactly what we are about, so that you know what exactly I'm about to do. So I think this is all I want to show you, and I will include this file in the I'll include a link to the file where you can download. And this is the toolbar where you have the back button, the user image, and then the username and the online feature. Don't worry about this S. It's just that this is my toolbar. If I don't add the S, it doesn't show the username. I'm not sure why my Android Studio behaves like that, but in other Android studios it works. But I'm not just sure why mine is behaving like that. So this is the walkthrough for how, or the walkthrough on how we are going to go ahead with the next section of the application. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you've not, and like my videos, share them with your friends. I will see you in the next video.